Hello everyone and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode. I'm Marisa Metsikwa, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivi Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. And today we will be speaking about how to create a LinkedIn post like an influencer. So LinkedIn's algorithm favors engaging, well-structured posts, and thoughtful reposting can amplify your reach. So some of the best practices for writing a LinkedIn post like an influencer is the first two lines should grab the attention before the see more button. So when you go to your feed, you can see that there are two lines that are very important in every post. Then the second is that you want to keep paragraphs short, use bullet points, and break up the text for readability. So what works the best is to make lots of white spaces. Some people even break it down sentence by sentence. As you can see, most of the people do this. It's currently trending. Then the third is share industry insights, personal stories, or lessons learned to educate, inspire, or entertain your audience related to your niche, related to your industry, because you want to educate people, provide them added value. And the last thing is to ask questions. So definitely at the end of the post, there should be a question why people should react to your post. So to make it more engaging. Some of the best practices for reposting on LinkedIn the right way. Don't just share, but rather repost. So here, if you go to my profile, always look for the button repost. So I'm usually reposting actually my posts for the American time, so you can usually see here that I have reposted. Then after some time, you should also delete the repost because it looks just weird, but always repost without the dots. So you want to just simply repost, not write anything, because then it just shows for people on their LinkedIn feed. So it's very, very important. I can just delete some of the reposts that I did recently. Also, what is another reposting technique is the comment. So you want to comment your own post. This is also very well known on LinkedIn. So even like 2-3 things you want to repost on your LinkedIn post. And then also you can tag people, you can redirect them to the different pages, give them call to actions, etc. Some of the mistakes to avoid are, for example, posting without a hook, so that you don't really hook people. There is a really good tool which is here, Author tab. I really love it because it exactly shows you how it looks like. So you want to have a hook. Then overloading posts with hashtags or keywords. Actually, hashtags are no longer trading on LinkedIn, so don't use them. The algorithm is really taking the keywords from the posts, and hashtags are no longer relevant. And then clicking on share without adding. So here definitely you want to repost usually your or inside that it's related to you. So it's very important. Some of the content strategies to boost your LinkedIn reach is to include keywords in the post titles and description, and also regular posting builds the authority and keeps your profile active. So I usually try to post every weekday. Usually during the weekends I am revising my strategy, looking at the engagement, etc. And then you want to ask open-ended questions to increase the engagement. So don't just ask people, do you want to blah blah blah, yes or no. You want them to ask the opinion, what do you think about this strategy, for example. So definitely these are the different steps that I would do if I want to post as an influencer. So this is it. This is how you can create a LinkedIn post like an influencer. I'm Marisa Metsikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivi Ltd, and follow me for more tips on LinkedIn. You can also go on my website, marioolivi.com, where you can get in touch. So by filling this form, you can get consultation, also the revision of your LinkedIn profile, and I can also take a look at your digital products or at your marketing funnel. And don't hesitate to subscribe and like this YouTube video, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye.